people on YouTube. Right, today I'm going to make a BLT. So I've got some bacon, I've got a ciabatta roll. In fact, it's not even a ciabatta roll. Why do I keep saying that? I've got a panini. I've got a bit of lettuce, a bit of iceberg. Got some round tomatoes. Can't really do this without them. I've got some salt and pepper. Bit of salt. Not much pepper. Someone stole the label off it. Don't know why. But, right, get the bacon cooking. So, hope everyone's enjoying their weekend so far. I've just put some water in there to try and reduce some of the fat out of the bacon and make them cook a little bit more evenly. If I can get them in there evenly. Yep, I know I've used the brush, but you know, it's what I had to hand. I should probably organise myself a bit better than what I do, but you know, I'll just go with it really. While that's doing that, I think I'm going to quickly butter the... I'm going to leave that for a minute. It was at this point I realised that the butter was still frozen because I'd put it back in the fridge last night after using it. Down in the cupboard. Still looking for organisation in that cupboard. Yeah, so that's me trying to cut up the tomato. I didn't cut up the lettuce, I just pulled that apart because it was easier. Doing the bacon this way definitely makes it more crispy. There you go, just took the water away, the fat in it. Not down the drain, because it will block it up over a period of time. A massive thank you to everyone who's watched, liked, subscribed, shared, commented, even rung the bell. Thanks very much, it's all appreciated. So, panini in the air fryer, that one there, and there you go, panini in there. And that's crisp. 4 minutes. Might be extra crispy this one. Happy days. Turn it up for a minute. Nothing special with that, just ripped it up a bit into bits, and the tomato I've just cut into slices. Right, here we go, that's that done. Check out the goldenness of this panini. with a kerrygold on it. Lovely. It's the bottom. Stick a bit less there. Some crispy bacon on there. The crispiness of the bacon isn't to everyone's taste, but compared to a shop bought one that's sort of soggy and limp, nah. Cool. I don't know. Might be a bit of a struggle. It was a struggle trying to balance all this on there, and look, I couldn't even get it all in shot. Next time. Or not. Playing that game, isn't it? Stack my Panini is a new game for me. I'm gonna have a bit of salad cream in my one. I can assure you that was the salad cream, that weren't me. Bit of Heinz. A bit of salt. Definitely a bit of pepper. Bit more lettuce in there. There you go, camouflaged it. It's stealthing it, it's in there. Real true Panini. Oh, nearly forgot that. I stacked all that lot and realised that I forgot to put the jalapenos in there, which give it the spice and all things nice. They're in there. There's that one as well, nice and crisp. Oh, there you go. A BLT with a, well, definitely with a bit of spice. Right, I'll cut it, or even give you a side view. So yeah, it's in there, it's camouflaged. I'll see if I can chop a knife through it. There we go. A BLT with a bit of spice. So yeah, it's all in there. Sort of stay together, but not really. Yeah, the jalapeno definitely gives it a kick. This was delicious, honestly. You want to give this a try? Easy to cook, isn't it? Enjoy your day, people. Catch you later. Bye bye.